With the new iOS 26, how to share your screen on a phone call. I have my friend on the other line. Yours should not be muted. I just did that for the purpose of this video. To share my screen, I am going to select the three dots on the bottom corner where it says More, and then I'm going to select Screen Sharing. I can share my screen or ask the other participant to share their screen. I will share my screen. It'll take a moment to load. The other person will be notified that you have began sharing your screen. They will select that notification, and now your screen is being shared. Swipe from the center of your screen up to get out of your phone call to show them around your phone. I want to show them how to add a widget to their screen, so I will hold down on my icon and show them to edit and add a widget, add this TikTok widget. The other person can draw on my screen. It will go away though after about 3 seconds. For the other person, notice they have a few other control options here. They can zoom out or in, and they can ask to take remote control of my screen, and it will prompt me to allow or not allow. I will allow it for this call. I will select continue. And now you'll notice that this person can access my screen. To turn off remote control, you can select this icon here. And I'm ready to end my screen share on my personal device. I will select my phone call from the top center of my screen. I will select stop viewing your screen. They were notified that Being Classy ended their screen sharing. Both users have to be running iOS 26 or later, and some SharePlay apps may not be supported. I hope this video was useful for you. If it was, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow us on social media to stay connected. I'll catch you in the next video.